Hafa Guam, here are the headlines for CNMI.
The CHCC can confirm as of now on January 31st that there are no suspected or confirmed cases of coronavirus here in the CNMI.
The World Health Organization has declared a global health emergency on the coronavirus as the outbreak continues to spread outside of China.
Previous public health emergencies of international concern have included Ebola, H1N1, and Zika. Not all countries in the world were actually impacted by those outbreaks, or not significantly. You know, for Ebola, the U.S. only had just a couple of cases, and they were imports. And so it's more so that the World Health Organization can mobilize resources and mount a coordinated international response. It's also in line with the need for global solidarity. The WHO Emergency Committee felt that a global response could help countries who maybe have less resources with the coordinated effort in their preparedness, and make sure that they are kept safe, because they're the most vulnerable if they don't have, strong preparedness measures in place.
So far, there have been 9,776 outbreaks of the coronavirus globally and 213 deaths, which have all been in China. Here in Saipan, the Commonwealth Healthcare Corporation does state that every person that has gone in with symptoms has only tested positive for the flu.
The clinical case definition for the novel coronavirus involves the symptoms, so the shortness of breath, fever, difficulty breathing, and travel to Wuhan or the heavily affected areas, or direct interaction with someone who's confirmed to have the novel coronavirus.
Travis states the flu vaccination does not protect you from the coronavirus, but they do recommend getting the shot if you haven't already.
One of the reasons we're recommending getting the flu shot right now is because the symptoms of the novel coronavirus and the symptoms of the flu are similar. So, you get a fever, you get a cough, shortness of breath, difficulty breathing. And so if you have your flu shot, it's just, you're less likely to get those symptoms and have to worry about it at all in the first place. And it can make it easier for us to, not have a flood of patients who just have the flu and not the novel coronavirus.
If a person does contract the virus, the incubation period is 2 to 14 days. The Public Health Emergency Preparedness Program Director, Warren Villagomez, states if a coronavirus is to be confirmed in the CNMI, CHCC does have a plan set in place.
We have identified an area for potential coronavirus case here at the hospital north of the ER. There's a strike team that our chief medical officer and the director of ER, medical director at ER, can activate and pull out resource just to administer the potential patient under investigation.
There is still a lot of unknowns about this virus, and Villagomez states CHCC is in contact with the CDC on a daily basis for updates.
We get daily briefing at 8 a.m. all the way to about 10. So is WHO's daily updates as well. Efforts are all over coming in. Since I guess the governor's declaration, it actually elevated stateside U.S. interests on just coordinating with CHCC and the efforts that we're doing.
CHCC has launched a website solely dedicated to the latest information on the coronavirus.
The new CHCC website, it's actually the same URL as the old one, so it's just www.chcc.gov.mp. And on the homepage, if you go to the homepage, there is the very first thing you're going to see under the header image is the novel coronavirus information page. And so you can click on that and go to a page that has it has the latest updates. I'm uploading our latest press releases and any other updates relating to the situation. I'm uploading, FAQs. There's links to the World Health Organization and the CDC. There's, the links to our posters to download if you want to print those out. There's a lot of resources and information and questions there, which is just a good place to go if you're not sure.
Travis and Villagomez emphasized the importance of following the basic steps of hygiene and washing your hands to prevent getting the virus. If you feel you have symptoms of the virus, Travis does ask that you contact CHCC beforehand so that proper steps can be taken when you arrive at the hospital.
For more news, visit SaipanTV.com. For KSPN2 News, I'm Ashley McDowell.